Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olaoluwa Oluwashino, and I'm the team lead of Donate on Chain. Donate on Chain is a project that is built to transform how Africa gives and also how Africa receives, track and create a system of trust for donations every year across Africa. Billions are donated, but sadly enough, most of these donations don't get to the intended people that need these particular donations. And Donate on Chain is our answer to that particular problem. We are building a transparent donation platform on Hedera Hashgraph to make every contribution trackable, verifiable, and impactful. And these are some of the problems that I have highlighted, that have started in the Africa ecosystem, and we are trying to solve with Donate on Chain. Because consumers want purpose-driven purchases. That is, that times when most activities that has to do with donation don't give consumers some sort of satisfaction, lack of transparency in traditional charity system, donors disengaging after contributing and all. But we Donate on Chain to give access to thousands of NGOs, charities, and social impact projects that struggle with one big challenge, that is trust from donors who also hesitate to give because of what? Number one, they can't verify how their funds are used. Number two, middlemen inflate or misappropriate funds. Number three, project updates are inconsistent and unverifiable. According to our research, over 60% of potential donors in Africa cite lack of transparency as number one reason they avoid contributing, and that's the gap Donate on Chain is willing to solve. Our solution is simple: leverage Hedera fast, low cost, and energy efficient network to ensure that every donation is recorded immutably using the Hedera consensus service. Number one is traceable. At least donors can track their funds from the moment they donate it to the moment it is used. Number three, there is a publicly auditable information of how these funds move from the hands of donors to the final consumers of whom these campaigns were started for. So brands and individuals, they look for how to make these things happen, and that's Donate on Chain. We are trying to bring a fusion of giving people the ability to get some of the products or something that they can point to as to how or as to a particular cost they contributed to many years from now. So we built our platform in a way whereby for every donation that is made, the donor also gets an item in return. It can be for now we are starting with merchandise, but with time I'm going to evolve to other products like maybe a one-of-one of products. We partnership with so many top companies of the world and creating an environment whereby people are making purchase, and also when you're making that particular purchase, there's a portion of that particular purchase that is also going to charity and is driving or solving a particular problem in our environment. Some of the key features of our product are: we have a standard storefront that is ready-made, that for ready-made design, where anybody that comes there can see a particular merch design for a particular campaign and say, okay, let's say for example, one of our current partners that are going to be onboarding after this hackathon to like test out these features is Web3 Santa. For example, Web3 Santa wants to do a charity drive in Africa, which the aim of raising funds to make people around Africa feel the Web3 spirit and also drive education while doing that. We will create some few merch designs on our platform that will be created by Web3 Santa, which when people make purchase of these particular things, they part of the proceed would go to the cause of this particular initiative. And while after this are done, there's NFT proof of donation. There's a smart contract-based donation split that, for example, let's say a product is worth $1,000, and the NGO puts up for say maybe the NGO had added extra $1,000 for them for the app to go to donations, and the remaining $1,000 would go for like to produce that particular product. So we have created a smart contract that would split the percentage based on whatever the NGO is putting up there, or probably the creator is putting up there. So what are the market opportunities for this? We have so many people across the philanthropic market in Africa is over $150 billion annually, with millions of individuals and organizations participating. The donation will target NGOs, community projects, student-led initiatives, and brand single transparency in CSR spending. Our business model is simple. We will get paid transaction fees between 1 to 3% on donations, and we'll have subscription plans for verified organizations, which will also help us manage the activities to make sure that every of their projects on our platform, we're able to monitor it also from our end to make sure that we're driving true transparency.
Ola, sorry, your time's up. We will now move to the Q&A.